everyone, if you're new here, I'm Neira. If you're not, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to make a video on my new camera that I got, upgraded quality. I am gonna include a small unboxing in the somewhere in the video. The camera that I did get is the Canon EOS M50. I did a lot of review on this to even find which one that I wanted and stuff. I was gonna get the G7 Max or something like that, or Mark, whatever, but I looked into this one and I got this. You know, I even have the headset, so my quality is gonna be better, so stay tuned. I know this quality or sound right now is not as great, but I'm gonna show y'all also too how this camera is gonna look. And let's do just a quick thing. The mic that I have on top right now is the Rode Video, I think, Mini or something. I also got the little tripod too. This is the 𝚂𝙷𝙾𝙿 1K one. And this camera right here, this is still the kit lens that I have on it. Later on, I hope to upgrade to the Sigma something, because I was just doing a lot of research and I seen how it looked and I'm like, ooh, I like this look. But right now, this one is fine. It also has a little flip screen. Y'all know I'm excited because I usually record on my phone. I'm gonna show y'all the phone too that I record on. And the quality, the sound too is so bad. We done upgraded to an actual camera, so I'm excited for this. I hope, well no, not hope, I will be making more content, better content of course, and it'll be quality. Okay, so let me just try to show y'all a preview. I'm still getting used to this camera. I also had to change the setting and stuff, just how it looked, because when I first tried it out, I think this is my third day with the camera. I was trying it out and stuff, and I honestly hated the quality, and I'm just I don't know, dang, did I make a mistake with purchasing this? But I was able to fix it, and it's better quality now, clear, and it's what I want, so I'm excited. This is the mic on it, so cute. I look like a vlogger. I'm like, oh, I am a pro YouTuber now. Not pro YouTuber, but I feel like an actual YouTuber now with the camera. I know a lot of people do record on their phone too, but I turned it on. It's right here, the switches. Well, the switch to turn it on, what am I talking about? And then it tells you this to pull out the camera. There's a what is this called? I don't know, tech-wise words. I don't know. This is not the video if you want tech. I'm just gonna show y'all the quality and the upgrade that I got. That's about it. But if y'all want tech and stuff, y'all might have to go look at other people. This is me pulling it out. Oh my gosh, even right now, I'm just yes. Okay, let me see if it's the farthest. Okay, this is I don't want to show y'all my whole background, but let me see. This is the quality. Well, not the quality, but the flip screen and stuff, and it does rotate. So it does rotate. Y'all can see me right there. See, I'm on my phone. Yeah, and it does go back to what else do I want to show y'all? I just want to show y'all this camera and how it's gonna sound later on. And this is also going to be my first time actually recording with it, so I don't know how that's gonna be, but let me just take this off. Okay, how am I gonna do this? Okay. All right, I'm gonna take y'all down here because I gotta find a whole mount for this thing, or where to put it. Okay, all right, hold up. All right, so this right here is the camera in my hand, whatever. Dang, y'all seeing everything. All right, this right here is the Canon EOS M50. I also have the mic on. Hopefully y'all could hear me clear, right? It's a difference. My voice right now sounds hard to not look at myself because on my phone, this is my phone right here. I usually record on, this is the phone this again, y'all. This is the iPhone MX. Is it the MX? Yeah, MX. Oh no. It's the iPhone XS Max, but this thing is complicated because Apple just do all these phones and stuff, and to remember all of them thing. But this is it right here. I'm still trying to work on making the light how I want it to be. I don't know, but as y'all can see, y'all could clock me real hard. This thing is clocking me. This line where I tied down my lace is looking crazy, but this is it. Honestly, it's clear as heck, like really clear. And I do have a ring light on, like I have two right here. And yeah, y'all. So what else do I want to say? Honestly, I like the camera. I do have it on the tripod thing. It is a little bit heavy. Maybe I'm just that weak. But as you can see, I think the frame is pretty big than my iPhone. And I could also zoom in. Let me see if I could show y'all the zoom in. I stopped it, but I think this is all the way zoomed out with the camera. So yeah, and I also have the Rode mic and it's on the tripod, so I'm holding it in my hand right now, and low-key my arms is kind of weak. I probably need to work out, but I love it though. Like, it's actually small. It's smaller than I thought, and it's easy to carry also, and I could look straight in the camera like yeah. And it's kind of so what else about it? I do recommend to switch the settings when you do get it, because when like you first get it, and if you're just using the regular quality or recording when it first comes out the box, it looks a bit weird for me, at least. I don't know, y'all see my skin color, so I need my skin to show up well. But it's a good camera. I would recommend it to anyone that wants to do like vlogging or even sit down videos where they're just at home recording. It could be both, so that's why I was like, this one is the one that I wanted to do if I did want to vlog and stuff, which I think I want to, but you know, that means I'm gonna have to do more stuff. But so far right now, I actually like the camera. I'm still gonna work on the settings, making it look better, but we'll see when I'm editing it. And yeah, but that is it for the video. If you have any questions down below, or if this was helpful, leave me a comment and a like, and be sure to subscribe because we're gonna make new videos, right? Yes, and better quality. So yes, see y'all later. Okay, so I also forgot to show y'all the mic when it's not in. This is the mic without it being in. If y'all could hear me, I don't know, I'll see when I'm editing, but there is a difference because I checked this out way before. This is my third day with it, so I'm still trying to figure everything out, how to even use it, y'all, because it's a little bit, you know, more complex, and also too, you can change the lens if you wanted to. So this is a good camera if you want to take pictures also, because I had just one camera where I could do, if I had one vlogging, sit down videos, and also take pictures with it and use it for my social media too, because the quality is better than, of course, the phone. Of course, I could have got a new phone, but it's like, to edit on your phone and record on your phone, it's kind of annoying because you got to keep flipping the camera. So I do love this. I'm happy for this. I am just excited to see what I can do with it. So yeah, this is it without the mic again, and I have the clip with the mic.